Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you are looking for some soccer goalie gloves, this video just might be for you. So this company right there sent these to me, said, Ryan, can you give a little overview of our soccer goalie gloves? Who might say no, but no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review because I'm just here to keep it real. So this is what they look like. They come in a variety of different sizes. I would say these fit true to size, as far as, you know, whatever size you might wear as far as the gloves are concerned. I'll give you a close up here, close up. So this part right here that the ball is going to touch is almost like a grippy, sort of rubbery to it. It's almost like a wetsuit, but like the rubbery part of a wetsuit, where it has some like grip, like just going this, it's like not easy. There's some significant friction from when you're trying to grab the soccer ball or football, depending on where you're located. That's gonna definitely help mitigate it, you know, sliding out of your hand. So when you get your hands in this, it's a wrap. Also from a thickness standpoint, so this is what it would look like without my hand in there. You can see very thick. You have some significant padding in there to kind of help mitigate any of the pressure you're going to incur, you know, from trying to stop a ball. These slide on, and the inside is very comfortable. It has a very comfortable, kind of soft, again, like a wetsuit type spongy material, but the inside slides on nice and comfortable. My hands don't feel like they're sweating wearing these. You know, I wouldn't say they're breathable, but they do have a little this mesh area on the inside here of all the fingers just to help with some breathability. The wrist here, as you can see, this is elastic, nice and tight. This will go around, and then that Velcro's there in place, so it's not going anywhere. So these things, when they're on, you are good to go. They are not coming off. This just happens to be a sort of a orangish, sherbet type blue color. Pretty cool, looks pretty cool. So if you're looking for a set of goalie gloves for soccer or AKA football, hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.